here who's our talented performer promoting our Z Burger Crispy and Delicious Chicken Sandwich.
You can get it original or spicy.
Oh yeah.
Plus pickles and mayonnaise, all that.
All that good stuff.
That sounds good.
You ready for one?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm trying to try this.
All right, but show us your talents, man. I know you've been doing this a while. So what you got?
What I got?
Got it. Ready. Wow! That's pretty good. Tell us, how much do you want a chicken sandwich right now?
I want to try it now. It's spicy. I like the original, but I'd rather choose spicy. You know what? Give me one right now. Is it ready?
In just a minute. We got it. We coming.
Yeah. How much do I really want a chicken sandwich? Well, I'm starving, so I'm gonna get like 3 of these.
Original or spicy?
Matter of fact, let's get 1 original, 2 spicy. Let's be creative. Now.
All right, show us. Do you deserve it? I mean, come on, let's do a little spin, but just show me what you can do.
I feel like I deserve it, like this much. This much, I deserve it.
I love it.
I want a chicken sandwich like right now. I am hungry. I need to eat.
I love it. Hold that shot. All right, what we got here, Professor Chef Alex?
Okay, Peter and I actually checked the market and we decided to offer a value chicken sandwich with a lot of protein.
And that is it. That's your creation.
And this takes almost 24 hours. Marination is a fusion of a lot of spices. And I can put this chicken next to any chicken in the market and let the customer be the judge.
Okay. Well, we have a customer and is ready for that one right out front, and he is hungry.
All right.
So is he going to be happy? Now, is this the spicy or the?
Would you like our regular or spicy?
He wants a spicy. He says he wants to do the spicy. He says he wants 1 original and 1
Okay,
spicy.
guys, 1 spicy, ready to go.
Yes, Okay, so chicken is almost ready. Are you proud of this chicken sandwich?
I think this is going to be a home run. We're gonna kill it with this chicken. It's going to be unbelievable. People love it. We use 24-hour marination. The oil is fresh every day, cooking 100% peanut oil. Everybody that we give it to loves it. They say it's the best they ever had.
Now, can you compete with there's another place right up the street. Can you compete with them? They're known for chicken.
Actually, a lot of people that we give that them try this chicken, they say this is much better. It's more crunchy, has better flavor, and is made to order. So every time they get it, is mouth-watering and they're stripping out of their mouth.
Okay, so you come with all these toppings, which is important to remember. That's a choice you have, right?
Yes, the chicken, we don't like to add too many toppings. I think mayo, lettuce, tomato, pickle is our standard for our chicken sandwich. And our bread is baked 2 times a day. And this chicken, everybody that tried it says is out of this world.
Okay.
That's why our sign says, best chicken in the world.
Okay, well that's he's a marketer. Is this true? Is any of this true?
Definitely, we have a passion for this, and if you don't believe it, we won't say.
Okay, good. Well, I'm looking forward to our sign guy is going to taste it out front.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. So people are asking about it now.
Yeah, we got a couple of big signs out. They're like big billboards. And we got a guy spinning the sign, and we're slowly getting the word out. This is something that's going to change the whole. We might call this place Z Chicken pretty soon.
That's a good idea. Always thinking about marketing, aren't you?
I think like Mr. Alex said, he created the chicken. We've been working on the spices for a while, and I think we just nailed it. This is like one of the best chickens out there, and I think once people try it, they're gonna come and get it over and over and over again. And the beauty of it is we can get it out quick. So as soon as they enter the line, we can get this chicken to people's hand in 4 minutes.
Okay. All right. Well, I'm going to time you for this one because we got a hungry guy out front.
We have regular and we have spicy, and the marination and the way we cutting the chicken, there's a lot go to it. It's just not just cooking a chicken. I mean, we use a egg wash, and we use buttermilk. We use pickle juice, and we got cumin and paprika and thyme. I mean, there's a lot of flavor that goes into this, and I'm really proud of this chicken.
Okay. Good. We'll see one coming up in just a minute.
Ask Novia what she thinks of the chicken. She had it.
She's tasted it. Did you like the chicken sandwich?
Yeah, it's nice, very nice.
Okay. All right. Well, we're going to have one coming up. I see it. I think I see it in the distance somewhere. Hey, Brian. Chicken sandwich.
I thought it was the best sandwich I've ever had. It was delicious. But it's better than Chick-fil-A by far.
Uh-oh. Chick who?
Chick-fil-A.
I didn't hear that. Did you say, what did you say? Someone else?
It was better than Chick-fil-A.
Okay. Well, then.
Well, you said something to me. I want you to say
I said it tasted amazing. I've had multiple chicken sandwiches in my life, and this was by far the best one ever.
Good. What do you think makes it
you
taste
cry,
It made me cry. It made me cry.
It made him cry. Okay,
Yes.
well, that can't get any better than that.
He tried it. He got one, and he said, "No, I got to get one more."
And then I got 2 more after that.
And he worked it.
And as a result, you're growing wings right now.
Yep.
Aren't you? All right, cool. Thank you so much.
Hey, let me show you why this is.
Good cheers for the large Z.
What did you think of the chicken?
The chicken or the chicken sandwich?
The chicken sandwich.
Okay, because I don't know.
I like the spice more.
You like the spicy more?
Yeah.
Because you're a spicy lady.
Yeah. No. I love spicy.
That's a big chicken.
It's a big chicken. You're right. It is. Well, it was a big chicken.
Did that chicken come on?
Is it
So you got a choice here. You got the spicy. Hopefully that's going to be spicy enough for you.
Spicy gosh, you
Is that hitting it?
Yeah, good.
Is what you were hoping for? Can you taste the spices?
Yeah, I can taste the kick of the kick of the spice, pepper, all that. Like it just melts down your throat, and like the juicy chicken. It is good.
spicy enough for you?
Spicy, guys.
Is that hitting it?
Yeah, good.
Is what you were hoping for? Can you taste the spices?
Yeah, kick of the spice, pepper, all that. Like, it just melts down your throat and like the juicy chicken.